Today, I'm in Lee Lake, west of Coleman, Wisconsin. It's one of the favorite spots for people to come swim, cool off, jump off a rope, chill, have a couple beverages, and they leave a lot of trash laying around. So let's go clean it up a little bit. Let's go get some garbage.
Oh, okay. Yeah. What's this?
It's an electronic one. The light's still on the back. Polar Unite, made in Malaysia. I just cleaned this up twice last year. I can't believe it's so dirty already. Oh yeah, there's that. Plus all this. Yeah, pretty trashy, people. Good luck fishing.
Oh, cool.
How's it going, guys? Hello. I didn't know you were under there. Yeah, that's all right. I'm way over here. Weight here. Got some fishing line stuck on my feet. They're up there. Come on, man. Oh, see, that wrecks my fins. When fishing line gets on there, it wrecks them. That's not good. Wrapped around there multiple times. Well, made a nice pass. About a half hour of searching there. Got a lot of garbage. Now I gotta haul all this stuff up the hill. I'll come down for a second. Got more stuff laying here. I'll be right back. I gotta get up this guy here with all my gear on. And it's sandy. It's sandy. Kind of hard to walk. I'm gonna go this way. There's roots all over the place. I'm starting to see beer cans all over. Down here too, I'll have to come back with an empty bag and pick up some more trash. Right, lots more trash in the woods. Gonna wait around here. Glass. Some cans over here. Oh my goodness. You gotta be kidding me. Coming down the water right here. I actually took down the way down here and I just looked in the water right here. Broken glass right here. Imagine stepping down off here into the water, stepping right on that. That's why I come clean this stuff up so people don't cut their feet up. Kind of dangerous. Stop littering. Well, got my load of trash. Oops. Second load coming up here. First load is already up. Clean up the water. Let's see what we got here. Got a lot of aluminum cans here. I'd say there's like 30. Got a bunch of glass bottles, about 10, 12 of them. Got a bunch of plastic out here. Part of a horn. Some of these little goggles. Plastic. Someone's underwear. A couple socks. Got an anchor Got fishing hook and line, got that out of the water. Someone's vape, frozen kiwi lemonade, a bottle cap, golf ball, and the gem of this find today is this this watch right here. It says Polar Unite on it. I have no idea what those cost, but it still works. So that's pretty cool. It's an awesome dive. I got a little bit of battery left on here. Actually, no, I don't. 9% left. I think I'm done diving for today. But until the next time, beautiful day. My only request, please stop littering in your local waters. If you're gonna go swimming, enjoy the water. Don't litter. That's pretty trashy.